Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal to crypto. While direct transfers from PayPal to cryptocurrency exchanges are not widely supported, there are effective indirect methods to achieve this. We will explore the steps involved, from moving your funds out of PayPal to selecting a suitable platform for your crypto purchase. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely, ensuring your funds reach their digital destination. Since PayPal does not typically allow direct transfers to crypto exchanges, the most common approach involves an intermediary step. You will first need to withdraw your PayPal balance to a linked bank account or a debit card. This process usually takes a few business days. Alternatively, some peer-to-peer platforms might facilitate transactions where sellers accept PayPal, but this carries higher risks and is less recommended for beginners. Once your funds are in your bank account, the next crucial step is selecting a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Look for platforms that offer robust security features, such as two-factor authentication, and are regulated in your region. It is also wise to compare transaction fees, as these can vary significantly between exchanges. Ensure the platform supports the specific cryptocurrencies you wish to purchase, whether it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another digital asset. The conversion process begins by initiating a withdrawal from your PayPal account to your linked bank account or debit card. After the funds have cleared, typically within 1 to 3 business days, you can then deposit this money into your selected cryptocurrency exchange. Once your fiat currency is available on the exchange, you are ready to place an order to buy your preferred cryptocurrency. This straightforward 3-step process ensures a secure transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.